Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm gonna be discussing about the topic special mechanisms for acute blood flow control in specific tissues. If you guys want to learn more about the circulatory system, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic special mechanisms for acute blood flow control in specific tissues. In kidneys, blood flow is vested to a great extent by a mechanism known as tubulo-glomerular feedback mechanism. Here, composition of the fluid is detected by a special epithelial structure which is present in the early distant tubule, and that special epithelial structure is known as macula densa. So this is the macula densa. These are sodium sensors, and this is a special epithelial structure. This macula densa is located at a place where this distal convoluted tubule lies adjacent to efferent arteriole and efferent arteriole in the juxta glomerular apparatus. When too much fluid enters from the blood through the glomerulus into the tubular system, this macula densa, which is present here, sends feedback signals. These feedback signals causes these efferent arteriole to become constricted. This causes reduced renal blood flow and thus returning glomerular filtration rate towards normal. In brains, in addition to the control of blood flow by tissue oxygen concentration, this carbon dioxide concentration and hydrogen ion concentration plays important role. An increase in carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions causes these blood vessels to get dilated, thus washing out the excess carbon dioxide or hydrogen ions which are present in the brain tissues. This mechanism is very important because the level of excitability of brain tissue is highly dependent upon the exact control of carbon dioxide concentration and hydrogen ion concentration. Next, coming to the skin. In the skin, the blood flow control is highly dependent upon the regulation of body temperature. Skin blood flow is largely controlled by the central nervous system through the sympathetic nerves. When humans are exposed to body heating, the skin blood flow may rise as high as 7 to 8 liters per minute for the entire human body. And when body temperature is reduced, the skin blood flow reduces and reaches barely at above zero at very low temperatures. So that covers the topic special mechanisms for acute blood flow control in some specific tissues. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.